Okay, so before we start today's episode, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Lush Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it's also important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you are settled in like we are and drinking responsibly. With that said, let's lush on together. Okay, we're back. Hopefully.
I thought I was going to do it again.
Oh.
The whole
What?
say the same thing.
Oh.
We said we're back. And then, all right, well, I guess we're not aligned, just like that drink we had last episode.
Listen, I already took responsibility for the nastiness of that drink, but we had to try something a little different. We tried it. Now we're going to onwards and upwards, okay? Onwards and upwards, okay. Mm-hmm. I have high hopes for this next one. And it's called Bee's Knees.
Sounds hopeful.
Right, like I think it'll be fine, okay? We're straying away from dry and going back to kind of sweet and lemony and all of that.
Okay, so no dirty, nasty. Okay, cool. Well, hey,
I'm trying.
Hey,
so just real quick to run through what you need, okay? Whatever gin you prefer, it does not need to be a dry gin. However, you could choose to do that if you wanted to, okay? We're using Hendrick's for this.
Okay.
Some honey.
Okay.
Some fresh squoze lemon juice.
Oh, we can't see today. Oh, okay.
This time. And a lemon twist for our garnish.
Got it.
Okay? And of course your shaker with ice because obviously, right? You gotta put the ingredients
shake it
together.
up.
You gotta put it in together. Okay, so we're gonna get started with 2 ounces of gin. I feel like our measurements have not been the same this whole time.
I switched shakers and I took away the jagger, however they pronounce it. So hopefully this time around, we're about the same level.
I think we're gonna be fine.
And this is 2?
2 ounces of it, yep. 3/4 ounce of our fresh lemon juice.
Okay.
Okay, 1/2 ounce of honey or honey syrup.
And if you've been following us, we're gonna have to stir it because honey has a different consistency than agave. So even though we have it in a shaker, we're gonna stir it first and then shake.
Yeah, we're hoping that by stirring it, it incorporates the ingredients like way better than before. Because we want the honey to come through. It's called Bee's Knees, so I'm gonna need the honey to come through with that one. Ooh, hold on. I just want you to know a glob of honey is literally on this. So that's why I'm
my.
You know.
Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there.
Okay, this might be the best I can do, and then gonna have to shake the rest of it. So you're gonna get a little bit of honey there, a little extra honey love or something, I don't know. And then we're gonna shake after. So the recipe just says shake, but we've not had the best journey with shaking things with honey in it, so.
Ooh, child, it is.
It's a little,
well, we're just going.
We're gonna clean that up later. You know.
Shake mine up real quick and pour. Okay, it's promising.
Yeah, this is definitely promising. I have high hopes for this one. Certainly higher than the last one, right? Surely we can't be worse, right? Like,
I don't know. I mean,
I don't know.
I
don't think we can.
You chose it, so.
All right, so I'm gonna have to deal with that probably for the next month.
I still have the taste in my mouth. Well, it's nasty. Well, go ahead.
We're on to something new. We're gonna try the Bee's Knees, and I'm hopeful.
All
Cheers.
right, cheers.
Good chat.
All right.
Okay.
We're back.
Whew.
We're back.
I was worried.
You was
for a
worried?
moment. I was slightly worried. I'm not gonna lie to you. Slightly terrified. This is good.
I like this.
You know, it's your go. You kick things off for us.
My turn.
I kind kind of want to drink this whole thing.
You're a little too giddy
I'm
for this
sorry. I'm sorry.
episode. She's been waiting all her life for this gin segment, and I'm just so happy that she finally got it. Because if we didn't, I'll be here for it forever. But back to the Beasleys.
I digress.
Beasleys. I like this. I truly like this, and I like this better than the last one. But y'all already knew that. I'm going to give this a 10. I like it.
She said 10, 10,
Don't
10.
you know I like it? I love it.
It's time.
Go ahead.
Okay, all right. It's good. Okay, so we're in alignment. I am also going to give this a 10. Okay, so here's what I like about this. There's tartness, there's the sweetness of the honey. We're actually tasting the honey come through. And it's just a refreshing beverage. It gives me summer vibes, like I'm on the porch being a nosy neighbor, watching everything happen. You don't have, where's the rest of yours? Hold on. Oh, dang it.
It's so good.
Okay, hold on. So,
I'm done.
I like it. So she likes it a lot, and I
love it.
also like it a lot. And what I was trying to get at before
Sorry, hold up. Last time on the vodka segment, I liked it and I drunk it all, and I had extra. Let me just make sure.
I'll give you a moment, and then I'll finish. Greedy ass.
That's
what your greedy ass get. Look at that one little drop left. Probably water too.
Okay.
Anyway, what I was trying to say before Guzzleton over here.
Who's that Pokemon?
Go ahead. What's your rating, sis?
I gave it a 10, but I was trying to be like clever and talk about why I gave it a 10. Not just that it tasted good, but I was trying to be quick.
What are you gonna say clever? Cause I'd love to hear this Seattle-ness come out.
Wow. Okay, I feel like there's a tinge of shade, and I don't need that from you. Okay, I might sound like a volley girl. Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
I'm gonna have a BF. Oh my God, she's gonna have a bitch fit. Oh.
No. Don't have a BF.
Whatever. Anyway, what I am trying to get at is overall, I like it. And I'm gonna leave it at that. We said it's a 10.
Okay.
We agree on that it's a 10. We also agree this might be it, y'all. Ain't no bonus round, dog. I'm starting to feel it.
Yeah, pretty much. I
think if I make about 3 more of these, I'm good for today.
Facts. I don't think we need a bonus round. I think we have 2 out of 3 solid, drinks.
Yeah, well, you clearly liked yours, so.
Oh, I did. I for sure did. Can't
Okay, so
complain.
overall, we would make this again.
For sure.
Is what we're saying.
For sure.
Let us know what you think.
Like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram,
All the socials.
Facebook. What else?
Oh,
Trends.
Threads.
Threads. It's one of the trends. Yep.
Trends. It's trending.
Yeah. Threads.
But threads. And yeah, I don't know. We might be back. We might not. Probably not, because we lit.
We don't have no point of doing that, but you redeemed yourself. You redeemed yourself.
I tried my best because that last one was what?
That's all I can ask for.
Well, I don't know if we'll be back, but let us know what you think of this, though.
See y'all later.